Hi friends, today we will discuss on OLA Front Suspension Failure and OLA recent update on improvement on suspension to counter these failures. OLA Electric's S1 is one of the top-selling electric two-wheelers in the Indian market. But much like other EVs made by startups and relatively newer brands in the market, the S1 has also had its fair share of issues. One such common issue has been the breaking of the scooter's front suspension, tons of cases of which have been reported in the past. In yet another incident of the front suspension breakage, a rider seems to have suffered severe injuries after falling from the scooter while it was in motion. As per a tweet by Samkit Parmar that has now been deleted, his wife was riding her OLA S1 electric scooter at a speed of about 35 km/h when the front wheel broke out of the suspension, resulting in the rider being thrown away in front. In May 2022, we had reported that customers were complaining of front suspension failure in their OLA scooters. At the time, the company did not officially release a statement, but we were informed that these were due to high-impact accidents on the road. Since then, the number of suspension failure cases shared by customers has grown from 3 to at least 9, from what we have been able to find on social media. In the most recent incident, the rider got injured when the scooter's suspension failed and the entire front wheel broke away. Each incident is very similar as the single-sided front fork appears to have completely broken at the point where it forms a rather thin arm above the front tire. This failure leads to the front wheel breaking away, with it remaining tethered to the scooter only via the hydraulic front brake hose. This is a highly dangerous situation as it will be almost impossible to save oneself from an accident if the front wheel breaks away at speed. With the latest incident raising attention on social media, the company released a statement where it has essentially claimed, very high-impact road accidents is the cause. The company also states that it has over 1.5 lakh vehicles on the road and that they have observed this in extremely isolated cases. Be that as it may, high-impact situations are common on our roads where hidden and nasty potholes are a part of daily life. This is not something normally seen with most two-wheelers, and it may come down to the fact that OLA is the only company that currently uses this unique design for its single-sided front suspension. This has been a part of the scooter's design from its early days, when it was created by a Dutch startup named Etergo well before OLA bought the company out in 2020. Meanwhile, some owners have shared that OLA has updated the suspension design slightly on the base OLA S1 model that was launched in August 2022. There are a few small visual differences on the neck area of the S1's fork with a rougher casting surface and the removal of a small rivet in that area. Whether this updated suspension is designed to be more resistant to high impact is unknown as OLA has not made any announcement about this change. In its recent statement, the company says it will be happy to check owners' scooters at its service centers to alleviate any concerns. However, the company has not made any announcements about a recall. More recently, the new low-cost OLA S1 Air model was unveiled with a completely different chassis design that features a conventional telescopic front suspension fork. It is extremely unlikely that this telescopic fork can be made to work on existing scooters on the road. Thanks for watching us. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for new update.